एवरीवन वेलकम टू द चैनल राइट डायरेक्शंस बाय सलीम। इस वीडियो में हम सुनामी के रिलेटेड थोड़ा पढ़ेंगे। सुनामी इज़ अ जापानीज वर्ड विच मीन्स हार्बर वेव्स, अर्थक्वेक एंड वोल्केनिक eruptions that cause the sea floor to move abruptly, resulting in sudden displacement of ocean water in the form of high vertical waves called tsunamis or seismic sea waves. Earthquake, volcanic eruptions, and other underwater explosions, including detonations of underwater nuclear devices, landslides, glacier calvings, meteorites impacts, and other disturbances above and below water all have the potential to generate a tsunami. The passage of a tsunami involves the movement of water from the surface to the sea floor, which means its speed is controlled by the water depth. ठीक है. When a tsunami travels over a long and gradual slope, it allows time for the tsunami to grow in wave height. This is called shoaling and typically occurs in shallow water less than 100 meter. ठीक है. The shoaling effect can increase this wave height to a degree such that the tsunami could potentially reach an onshore height of up to 30 meter above the sea level. ठीक है. उसके बाद the speed of wave in the ocean depends upon the depth of water. It is more in the shallow water than in the ocean deep. As a result of this, the impact of tsunami is less over the ocean and more near the coast, where they cause large scale devastations. Then when a tsunami enters shallow water, its wavelength gets reduced and the period remains unchanged, which increases the wave height. Then ये भी important है, ये पूछा जा सकता है. From the tsunami point of view, Pacific Ocean is the most dangerous area. The tsunami that occurred in 26 दिसंबर 2004, ये important है. ठीक है. जो tsunami 26 दिसंबर 2004 में आई थी इन दी सुमात्रा आइलैंड ऑफ इंडोनेशिया इन दी इंडियन ओशन में इंडोनेशिया के जो सुमात्रा आइलैंड है उस पर जो सुनामी आई थी 26 दिसंबर 2004 को, दैट वाज द रिजल्ट ऑफ सबडक्शन ऑफ इंडियन प्लेट बिलो दी बर्मीज प्लेट. ठीक है. हाँ, इंडियन प्लेट की सबडक्शन हो गई थी बर्मीज प्लेट के नीचे, उसकी वजह से ये सुमात्रा आइलैंड इंडोनेशिया इंडियन ओशन में आई थी 2004 में सुनामी. ये इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है. सुनामी वार्निंग सिस्टम TWS. अ सुनामी वार्निंग सिस्टम इज़ यूज टू डिटेक्ट सुनामीज इन एडवांस एंड इशू वार्निंग्स टू प्रिवेंट लॉस ऑफ लाइफ एंड डैमेज. द सुनामी वार्निंग सिस्टम TWS इन द पैसिफिक comprised of 26 participating international member states. 26 participating international member states has the functions of monitoring seismological and tidal stations throughout the Pacific Basin to evaluate potentially tsunamigenic earthquakes and disseminating tsunami warning information. The Pacific Tsunami Warning Center PTWC is the operational center of the Pacific. TWS means Tsunami Warning System, located near the Honolulu, Hawaii. PTWC provides tsunami warning information to national authorities in the Pacific Basin. उसके बाद देखते हैं सुनामी वार्निंग सिस्टम इन इंडिया. ठीक है. द 26 दिसंबर 2004 अर्थक्वेक एंड द सब्सिक्वेंट सुनामी एक्सपोज द वल्नरेबिलिटी ऑफ द इंडियन कोस्टलाइन टू ओशियानिक हैजर्ड्स. Following the event, India started its own interim tsunami warning center in the first quarter of 2005 to issue tsunami bulletins generated from seismic information. The interim devices were succeeded by setting up of a state-of-the-art Indian tsunami early warning system ITEWS at the Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services INCOIS in Kois, Hyderabad, under the Earth System Sciences Organization ESSO. The system, implemented in phases, became full-fledged 24/7 operational early warning system in October 2007. The Indian Tsunami Early Warning System has the responsibility to provide tsunami advisories to Indian mainland and the island regions, acting as one of the regional tsunami advisory service providers for the Indian Ocean. ITEWS also provides tsunami advisories to the Indian Ocean rim countries along with Australia and Indonesia. Thank you very much.